Let's talk about your personal life. Meron kang pinost sa mga Facebook mo, yung mga love letters ni Jessie.
Actually po yung sa akin, yung pagpo-post sa Facebook, very therapeutic.
Hindi, pero nakalagay doon. When will you call me Jessie? Or something like that.
He was always sir to me. Kasi,
Sir?
kasi first time ko po siya nakilala, nag-a-apply ako sa trabaho. At siya yung boss ng opisinang ina-applyan ko. So he was always sir to me. Parang the courtship started while I was his subordinate.
Oh, nako. Aba, hindi ba harassment yon?
Oo nga eh.
At tapos?
But it was...
Punersa ka ba?
Ay, hindi po.
Okay.
Siyempre hindi. It was whirlwind. Parang hindi pa po matagal kaming magkakilala, pinag-usapan na namin mag-aasawa. Si Jessie gusto niya na kaagad mag-asawa. He was 7 years older than I was.
Okay.
I think he was already 22 ako at that time. So he was 29.
And then you got married in June.
June.
So, 1 year from the time you met
Yes.
him to the time you
Yes.
married him.
Actually po, gusto niya nang mamanhikan by December.
Oh,
I told my mom about it. Yung daddy ko po ayaw. Sabi niya, nagkakakilala pa lang. So, namanhikan po siya ng May.
June na kayo.
Gusto niya
kinasal?
po June kasi Chinese, my husband comes from a Chinese family. Pinatingnan na sa temple yung aming mga birthdays.
Oo.
And they had a date already. June 27. Yun daw yung pinaka-swerte. Nabigla yung magulang ko. Sinabi po ng tatay ko na, pero mag-aabogado pa yung anak ko eh.
Oh,
Ang sabi po ni Jess, basta ako yung pledge ko, sigurado pa din siya mag-aabogado kahit mag-aasawa na. And he made good the
tinupad niya.
promise.
Sweet ba talaga si Jessie?
Opo, sobra. Actually, even with the children, he's the more demonstrative one. He's the more nurturing one. I think yung pinaka-test po sa amin was when he was appointed secretary already. Kasi parang when he was mayor, we were all there in a small city. Everything was easy.
Hindi kayo yumaman as mayor.
Nakita niyo naman, Ma'am Winnie, yung tinitirhan
Oo
namin.
nga eh.
Until
Nakita
now,
ko
yun
yung
pa din po yung
sayang
bahay
mo.
namin.
Ang net worth mo ay 8 million hanggang ngayon.
Baka po nga bumawas eh.
Oh, sus.
Kasi nasa medical school na yung anak ko.
Ngayon na kongresista kayo hindi
Lalo po
ka
kasi
pa
single
yaya.
parent na ako eh.
Diyos ko.
Ako na lang po yung...
Well, kailangan malaman ng mga kapuso na meron talagang politiko na hindi not making money. Okay. Alam nyo, mga kapuso, ilan ang mga politiko na nakikita nyo nagbubos. Who took that picture?
May staff. Actually po, on a very regular day, I take the bus from the Cubao Terminal. Ang kasama ko po si Kisha, yung staff ko. Sabi ko po, tawagan yung kasama ko, tanungin yung driver, kung pwedeng maghintay na lang ako somewhere kasi hindi ko na siya maaabutan. Yung driver po yung nagsabi, kung pwedeng hintayin ko sila, yung bus, hintayin ko sa Magallanes Shell Station. Para sa akin nga po, natawa ako because it was my worst angle. Tapos, sabi ko, may mag-viral akong photo, yung pangit pa.
Have you been able to pack up Jessie's
Not
things?
yet. Not yet.
His clothes?
Yes. Even the one hanging sa bedroom door namin, meron po siyang isang denim pants. Meron siyang isang exercise shorts. Yun yung naiwan niya when he made the trip to Cebu, the last trip to Cebu. Hanggang ngayon po, nandyan pa din. Nakahang pa din doon.
In other words, you have not had any closure.
Parang hindi pa po kaya.
Okay. Meron bang nanliligaw sa'yo ngayon?
Wala po. I am not open to it naman. I can't imagine myself being with someone else.